cold lock surface mount grommet is designed to separate it in half, capture existing cables, snap back together, and seal the cable cutout. The first step is to test fit the cold lock grommet over the cable cutout. The portion of the grommet in the aisleway will be attached to the tile. The portion of the grommet behind will be removable so that the tile can be removed later without affecting the cabling. A cold lock grommet can seal a hole 7 inches by 9 inches. Now clean the surface of the cold lock grommet and the raised floor tile to make sure that the adhesive sticks properly. Next, apply the adhesive to the cold lock grommet. Remove the adhesive from the backing and place it on the grommet, aligning the edges of the adhesive with the edges of the grommet. Press the adhesive down to the cold lock grommet and place the conductivity buttons in each of the 4 holes. A feature of the cold lock grommet is that any static charge that builds up on the cables will bleed off through the cold lock grommet to the surface of the raised floor tile. Once you're ready to install the grommet, remove the backing from the double-sided adhesive. Snap the 2 sides of the cold lock grommet together around the cables. Align the back of the grommet with the final position on the tile and push the grommet down into place, securing it to the tile.